welcome to the Shelley Studio. Today I am just gonna do a little watercoloring of this drawing that I did. I did the drawing off camera. I wasn't sure if it was gonna work and just was playing around and thought it turned out well enough to add some color to it, so I decided to film. The ink I used is water reactive, so it does tend to bleed when it gets wet. I like that in some things, and some things I don't. But I think this turns out okay, even though that happens. And I'm using my Schmincke, this is student grade watercolor palette that I have. And I'm just going to try and color the seaweed with some green, and hopefully it doesn't turn too black with the ink. This is just a short, quick little video. This is almost like, you know, those adult coloring books. Only I think it's more fun with water. It's definitely more of a challenge with the ink bleeding. I think the seaweed looks faintly green in the end. Except maybe that one. Well, I think it still sort of looks green in the end. I'm trying to do my best not to hit too much of that ink before I get the rest of the color in. And then once I do, I touch it all, and that creates kind of a shading. That's one thing I do like about ink that's reactive. It's like automatically does the shading for you. I start to color this crab, and I think my camera must have stopped because it jumps. Sorry about that. Now I'm just adding a little bit. I did let that all dry, or I hit it with the heat tool, I can't remember. I'm just adding a little more color just to give it some more depth, make it look not quite so flat. I was trying to decide what color to make my seashells, and I just kind of went for the yellow ochre color. I don't even know what color that really is. And some blue for some shading colors. Like, most of the seashells I've found are pretty much white. Bleached white with the sun on the beach. Decided the next one should be blue. We got to give it something different. So I do paint that one blue. And I apologize again, camera jumps. I just did a little bit brown on the base, and it's going to jump again here in a second. And I just do blue, and I leave space around the plants because I don't want it to bleed into the water. Anyways, I hope you liked that. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and thank you all for watching.